So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to do affiliate marketing on MetaMask. So once MetaMask is opened up, I want you guys to go to the top right, or sorry, the bottom right, to where it says rewards. Now, once you're on the rewards tab right here, it's going to bring you to this page. So you can go ahead here. And if you want to do affiliate marketing, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the top right to where there's that person plus icon and select that. Once you guys are here, you can go ahead and share your code with friends. So you can copy your referral code, you can copy your referral link, whatever the case may be. You can go to the bottom and press refer a friend, send it to people. You can also too, if you want to add a code, I believe the simplest way to do that, if I'm not mistaken, is to go to the gear icon right here, type in the referral code. But basically what you guys can do here is do affiliate marketing, earn some rewards right here that you guys are seeing, see some benefits or whatever by sharing your code with people and having them enter their code on MetaMask. So once again, pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to do affiliate marketing on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.